Angry Bird, and I'm from Angry Bird Space. Today I'm going to show you a day in life with me. The first thing I do is I wake up really early in the morning because some people play with me all night on their iPhones and stuff, and iPads and iTouches or their phone or whatever, okay? So I wake up really early because people play with me all the time. So yeah. Then I go brush my feathers. Yeah, my feathers. So go to the bathroom and I brush my feathers. Yeah, my butler brushes them. And then I put some gel in my hair. My feathers up here. Then my hair should look like this. Next, I color my eyebrows red. So, yeah. My butler does that as well. Then I will go down and have some breakfast. Ooh, look! Love hearts. Waffles. Now, I'll go to the game center and play my game. Let people play with me. So, I'm at the game place. Ready to launch me? Yay! After lots and lots and lots and lots of launches, I go back home and do my bedtime routine. And that is eat dinner, and that's Love Heart Waffles again. I go put my pajamas on. They're so pretty. I don't have pajamas at the moment. They're in the wash. But anyway, I will have a shower and then go to sleep. See you guys in 2 weeks or something, because I will be back. I am a angry bird, angry bird. Bye!